Welcome back, everyone. This is Workers and Resources Soviet Republic, episode 4. Last time, we finally set up a small production of, well, more or less pebble. We're not having it as gravel yet, but we will after this episode, because now we're going to need some workers. Now we have the resources, just the workers we need. What we need to ensure is that, that does not look good. And that, of course, we didn't ensure before we built it. That does not look good. That actually looks really, really bad. Oh well. Nature will find a way, and so will I. That is one of the few things that is actually easy to build in this game. Footpaths. Well, maybe I spoke too early. Can't even build a footpath. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. We just need a storage facility for all the gravel we are going to be producing. Yeah, well, then maybe we should go into the depot part. Storaging? Yes. If we are going to store something. Mm -hmm. Oof. Do not like this. Not one bit at all. Just need to ensure that our conveyors can reach us. Yeah, didn't really think so. Well, actually that one can do. Kathmandu? Can you do? Oh, okay. Old joke. Not a very good one. I know, I know. Yeah, we have a hill on the way. Okay, hill, go away. We are not going to need the second gravel processing plan early on, but we may need it later. So we just need to prepare for it. Go away, go away, go away. We try again. Nope. This one may do. Good we didn't pay for the footpath. Because we are seriously low on money. We have not really built any incomes, sources of potential income even. That should do the trick, shouldn't it? No? No trick? No trick done? Oh well. Uh, yes. And as you can see, they are horribly expensive. So we're not gonna build them yet. We just need to redo our footpath and just hope for the best. That was wrong. Especially if then on a terrain border, then they can become a bit tricky to catch. And right now, yeah. Okay, we need to lower the terrain a bit more here because we can't get underneath it. And did we do it here? Did we get it? Probably. We just need to redo the conveyor. Little bit of luck, then we're here. No. Yes. Good. Now at least we're underneath. Too much downhill. We are going to need a road connection to autosave. Very nice of you. What? No, not really. Not. There we are. Okay. What we just achieved is that we now have a storage facility. Here we need a conveyor, because we simply need to split the production. And we will need residents quite close to this, because we are going to make sure they can walk all the way over there. That's a long walk. People are not that fond of walking. Just see if this will do the trick. We just need to ensure that they can walk here. That's all these people have to do. And of course, no, they can't, because there are no road connections whatsoever. Just need to do this. Of course, they cannot walk to a road, but they cannot walk on a road that's not there. Oh, okay, not happy, but fair enough. Okay, just need to build this stuff. Thank you. Yeah. When you forget to build something, well, you don't have it. Thank you. We made it. We can walk about 250 meters, between 200 and 300 meters. Sometimes I do believe it depends on what we're walking to and from. But 300 meters, not walking any longer for work, then we need to take a bus. For some reason. Not overly apparent. Okay. And since we are low on money, we're going to spend some without making some. That's not, well, it may not sound overly smart, but that's just me. Let's just see, we need to we need an asphalt plant, a concrete plant, and a truck loading bay. And they all need to be connected up to one of the outlets. And we can only use one outlet because we will need the other outlet later. So, yep. Connections. I said connections. Thank you. Conveyor connections. Yeah. This one. Yes. You. Exactly. Yeah. Just who I was looking for. For some reason, I doubt that road connection will be of any use. So, that's no good. Oh, 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 oh. We'll put the other one down here. The other problem. Yeah, that's another problem. Okay. Concrete plants. concrete. It's never the right now I'm just looking into what is the optimum way of doing it. I could have, of course, done this on offline, but then you don't get the chance to see how I mess about. If we go down here, we can do we do not need yeah. We will have an asphalt plant. We will have a concrete plant. And we will have a truck loading. So we can build some gravel roads. Just make sure we do not. That will probably be the easiest one. And just to see if we can make our road connections before we start linking up everything. Yep. We got too close. Go away. We just need to line them up somehow decent. And now it is. Wasn't that just as bad as before? I think so. Probably. Okay, come on, little road. That was another save. That means that we're up to 2. That's 20 minutes already gone. And we have had, well, sorry to say, I didn't get any citizens, but I built a house for them. I would just need some people in here. And I know some people will argue against my use of mud roads, but I prefer to build them later. Some of them will be turned into asphalt roads, and some won't. There we are. Now we can supply them with manpower. This little setup is not gonna work because we just have a house. We need some extra things for our house. We need to to set up some convenience for these nice little people that's going to live in our city. What are we going to do? That's of course, it's only a few days. I thought there was more time has passed, but of course we had timed out. No. We're just making a small city. That's why I will use one of the small shopping centers. Oh, and by the way, when I always use the prefab flats, and I always use this type with 179 workers, and not the bigger one with 189 workers. This one has a higher quality of flats. I don't really know if that's of any meaning in the game yet, but maybe it will later. So we will keep using these. Come on, there we are. And we need room for a footpath in between the buildings, yeah? Yep. Footpath. That is going to be one busy footpath. There we are. Another 1,000 for footpaths. We are burning money like mad here. We are going to set this one to construct. By the way, what did we ask in here for citizens? Okay, no auto purchasing of citizens. Yeah, go. One little trick when you're building a city. Citizens are, well, rather annoying this way, but they really enjoy having well, power. They get quite unhappy if they don't have any power. It looks remarkably like we have not built. No, we didn't. Why would we do that? Well, that's just my lack of oversight. Would you mind going away so I could see what the bloody well I'm doing here? Thank you. Everybody needs power. That'll more or less do it. Early on, power consumption is not a problem. Later, it can pose some difficulties, but we will build our own power plant and rid ourselves of that pesky little problem. Okay. Build power. And also this one. Yes, good. Over here we've set up the build of 4 residential buildings. We just need to equip these buildings because people like to have like kind of food. Bit annoying this way. Yes. And they are, good Soviets, so they need a pub. Almost thought they were English at first glance, but well, seemingly the English is not that. Oh, no, 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 no. Would you mind not doing that? Yes, that's just me being stupid. Yes, go away, go away, go away. Yes. We haven't spent the money yet because we haven't started the building thingy. There you are. Away. All of you. Don't like you. Of course we need a bit of road here. So we can get our fire trucks here when the city starts to burn. Okay. Yeah, that was it. Now we can rebuild that little local grocery store. Shopping center, of course, not grocery store. Different things. Yeah, entirely different animal. Yeah, good. And of course, we need a cinema because everybody knows everyone loves cinema. They become very unhappy if they don't have a cinema. I don't know where the nearest cinema to my home is, and I'm pretty sure it's very far away. But of course, this is the 1960s, and most people will not have a television. On the other hand, we won't have a television station for quite a while. I have not yet tested if the television station helps you not meeting cinemas because they are bloody well annoying. But now it's built, and let's spend some rubles. That was 20,000 rubles. And the shopping center is only 12. And you could of course hope that you would make a lot of money when you were selling stuff for your citizens, but you don't. You import food and give it away for free, because that's kind of socialism for you. Maybe the local grocery store here should pick that up, because I would really like to get my stuff for free. I will certainly get a lot more stuff then. Okay, yeah, we just need access to a road. So, our nice little fire engines on some given time later can come and try to save the day. This is just a temporary access road we're building out here. Not anything overly needed or... yes, of course. They are trying to build. a power line, because I told them to. Yes. Okay, going back here, we did say we needed a pub. Yeah, pub. Yes, I told you, pub. There we are. And don't pick the grocery store because they look very, very much the same, but they certainly are not. Okay, and we had dead air once again. I have been warned against that and I will try to avoid it. Yes, I know, it sounds horrible when nothing happens. But it's not the sound on your computer that's down, it's the sound of on mine that's in horrible problems. We will try to fix it, but right now it seems, well, not to work at all. And since this is a socialistic country, they're not handing out free microphones or new computers. For some reason. They could, they should, but they don't. Now. We've put up the residential part of the city, and of course I know I need the educational part. That means that we will be needing here a school. Yeah, that's one of those. Yeah, that's that's where children go to get, well, stored. Come on. Yeah. Get away from the road. Yeah, the school children, they shouldn't be afraid of the road. What could possibly go wrong when school children are running around on a road? Beats me. And no, that was not a suggestion that school children should run around and play on the roads. No, that was not what I suggested. Please do not blame me for that. Okay, building. Building. Okay. Building. It looks like this is going to be one of the little longer episodes because we just need this here construction bonanza to be complete. Oh. Huh. If I screwed the pooch on this one, it will look horrible. Yeah, I forgot to build down here, conveyor, distributor. Yes. Oh, this is not gonna look good. This is gonna cause a problem. That is what happens when you don't pay attention. Oh. Oh! Oh dear. We have taken a car unloading, but we need a car loading. They are very much the same. They are incredibly difficult to see the difference between. You can actually only see it on the little arrows on the back of it. That piece of road coming out of an asphalt plant, that could cause a severe problem. Yeah. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. No dear, no dear, run too fast. This is going to be... Oh, not going to like this. Yeah, that is what happens when you don't pay attention. That was almost 1,000 in footpaths we lost here. Well, at least 500. Considering how few we have, and of course it's the road that is the problem. Oh dear. This is not good. Maybe, if we are a little lucky, which we probably aren't, then we can move it a little bit. Because the problem is we're getting stuck because of the angle of the other conveyors coming out from... Now we just need to fix the road connection. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Okay. Okay, it can be done. We got underneath it somehow. Have a chance of getting out. That means it can be done. Yes, did it. That's a bit surprising. It was not overly difficult. But as I've said before, and I will of course keep rambling about the terrain in the game, there's a lot of it. There we are. Okay, that was 40 minutes, boys and girls. Now, well, probably most boys, for some reason. Just forgot something. Yeah, you know, kind of me. Yeah, that's just how I am. Keep forgetting stuff. Again, my old German friend, Alzheimer. Yeah, we go way back. At least that one was 40,000. Okay. It may never need a road connection, or it will need it urgently and shortly. Okay, let's go. Let's build. I think it would be best to remember to build a fuel station up here as we talked about. Yeah, just before we leave. Yes, I think that will be the last thing we do. Yes, because we talked about it, we prepared it, and why didn't we do it? Can anyone please tell me that? Maybe I have to go back and look for the last couple of hours of movies. Yes. I don't think so. No, there we are. And it is set to auto import fuel. We just need this one to build. Or else we'll soon find ourselves in problems and difficulties. By the way, have we connected footpath to this oil processing? No, I don't think we're processing any oil here. Yeah, we have connected with a footpath down there. You know what? We're just gonna, for the fun of it, exactly. Not like that. Something just went wrong. Don't know what. Probably me, not the game. And there we are. Well, now at least we've built some houses. We will need some sport facilities for the citizens, but I think we will do that on the next run. So on the 5th day, well, episode, we will be starting to get people. Yeah, that sounds somehow familiar. Ladies and gentlemen, that was all for now. This was Workers and Resources. And we are out.